Engineered wood floors swelling because of moisture is one of the biggest headaches for homeowners trying to keep their place looking sharp. So, first off, you gotta figure out where that moisture is sneaking in from. Check for leaks under sinks or around pipes. Sometimes it's those tiny drips that cause the most damage. Make sure your home has proper ventilation, especially in areas like bathrooms and kitchens where steam builds up fast. Use a dehumidifier if your place feels damp. That really helps keep moisture levels in check. When you clean your floors, avoid soaking them with water. Just a barely damp mop will do. If you notice swelling, don't ignore it. Try pulling up the affected planks to let them dry out before putting them back. Also, sealing your floors with a good finish can add a moisture barrier that keeps the wood happy. Lastly, keep an eye on your sump pump or basement drainage if you have one. It's a common spot for hidden moisture problems. One of the biggest mistakes people make with engineered wood floor swelling is ignoring the root cause, which is often hidden moisture ingress. Fix that by tracking down leaks and improving airflow. Another common issue is overwetting the floors during cleaning. Just don't do it. Stick to a damp mop to avoid adding water to the wood. Lastly, failing to use proper sealing or finishes leaves floors vulnerable, so invest in a quality sealant to protect against water damage. BigHomeProjects.com is great because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know how to handle issues like engineered wood floor swelling. For contractors, it's a solid way to find new clients looking for help with moisture problems and home repairs.